Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. So in this video, I'm actually recording a tutorial for someone on my team, but I thought I'd share it with the group just because other people are going to want to know how to do this. So if you're starting with a YouTube channel first, and then your plan is to bring that content into a blog, this is the setup to at least start building the framework so that you'll have posts ready to build out. So what we do is I'm inside the totaltherapysolutions.com backend for WordPress. I'm going to go to, I'm going to do it from scratch, and then I'll show you how to do it from a template. We're going to build the template right now. So I'm going to go to new, post, and we're going to create a new post for each one of the videos. Now, I already know I have not created a post page for the latest video, so I don't have to double check. Let me go into my YouTube account. But basically what you want to do is you just want to start from the newest video or start from the oldest video, however you're going to do it, and create a page, a post. Remember, a post is the same as a page, except the post is inside the blog and it goes in chronological order. Okay, so we'll go into YouTube Studio for the particular channel that we're looking for. I'm going to go to content. Now, anything that's part of a series. So this is part of my physician interview series. What I do is I make a post page for each video in the series, and then I combine them on a single post page, putting all of the interviews. So that single page is going to link out to the individual pages. The individual pages are going to have detailed posts about the content in the video segment. I know it's a little bit squirrely, but you'll get it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to grab the title, Control C. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to post it. A tight knee is better than a loose knee after knee replacement. Now, in an ideal world, I'm not going to publish that yet. This is what I'm going to just use for my framework. And for someone on your team who's just getting the work done, that's what they're going to do. Before we publish, you or I or whoever's in charge is going to look at that and we're going to optimize that. That is not something that somebody's going to search for. Somebody's going to search for terms more closely related to stiff knee syndrome, stiff knee after total knee replacement. What can I do for a stiff knee? Those are the things that people are looking for. But for right now, this is a tutorial training a team member to get started. Okay, so the first thing we do is we copy paste the title of the video. Then we scroll down here and we need to add a category. So we're going to just simply, if it's a knee replacement video, we choose knee replacement. We're going to scroll down. We're going to hide the sidebar, so no sidebar. We're going to hide the post title. At this point, we can kind of be done with setting up the structure. So I'm going to hit Save Draft, and then we're going to open it with Divi Builder. So just give it a second. Now use Divi Builder. And what's going to happen is the post will open. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose an existing page to clone normally. Let me click on that. And the page that I'm going to ask you to clone, make a copy of, is a page that I've already got kind of optimized for creating these. So let's see what we've got. I'm going to actually just stick with this one right here. So I'm going to click on that boxing video. And what'll happen is it's going to populate. It's going to essentially take that page and reproduce it. So what I want to show you is if we go up here, if you remember, the blue field surrounding is the section. The green is the row, and the gray is the module. The module in this case should be a title module. So you can see here post title settings. So I know that that's set up properly, and the way I know also is because I see the author, me, I see a date, I see a category. So that's all set up. This little blurb right here Usually there's going to be something in the description of the video. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say just take the video description, copy it, Control C, come back here, click on the cog wheel, highlight everything that's in that section, delete it, and then what you can do is right click and you want to choose paste as plain text. I like to paste it as plain text because it will format to whatever that module is set for. And I'm just going to leave it like that. Again, we're just setting a framework. Now the video, I'm going to click on the cog wheel for the video. I'm going to come back here and this URL is the shortcut for the video. So I'm going to copy that, come back in here where it says video settings, the content tab. I click on the cog wheel for the video here, insert from URL. I highlight that, Control C to paste. So now I've got the new video URL, and bottom right corner, we're going to hit insert into post. We'll give it a second, and now that's going to populate there. Now the rest of this stuff, this is all stuff that we're not going to use, we don't need. This is this section right here is from the previous blog post. So I'm going to just hit the check mark to get out of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up so I can delete this row. I can delete this row. I can delete this section. Okay. I've got this information about the author. That's me. I've got this stuff about other blog posts, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to hit Save Draft at the bottom right. This is going to be our new template. So once I hit Save Draft, I can come up here. I can exit the Visual Builder. And now we've got a very basic video post that has one single paragraph that matches what was in the description of the video. Nothing is optimized, nothing is ready to publish, but at least I have a framework here that then I can come in, or somebody else can come in, optimize this, add content to it, and go on from there. So that's it. Now that is finished. If we get out of the blog by going to the dashboard, and I come over here to posts, I'm going to show you right here, a tight knee is better than a loose knee after knee replacement. Horrible title for SEO, but that's what the video is titled. And this just says draft. That means that we're good for right now. Let's do one more so we kind of, get this down. So if I'm in the post section, I can go here and click add new. I always like to do it from the top because this will be available no matter where you are. So new post. While that's loading, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go out and we're going to go to this one. Let's go back into our page. So I'm going to grab the title. I'm going to paste that. Tens pad placement. So let's take this for example. Let's be like, oh, I forgot I didn't double check to see if there's already a post. No big deal. So what we can do is we can just not optimize anything, save the draft. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to go to my website. And doing this, I can go to dashboard. So you can have as many tabs open within the site as you want. I can go down to posts. I can look. So this is the one we just created that we have open over here. And if I look down here, how many times can you do next traction? I don't have a post for that. So perfect. I'm going to go back into this and I'm going to keep working. So it is knee replacement. So I'm going to choose knee replacement, uncheck uncategorized. I'm going to hide the sidebar. I'm going to hide the title. I'm going to save as a draft again. And then in a moment, we'll click Use Divi Builder. While that's going, I'm going to come in here and grab what I've got right there. So copy just that part. Actually, I can copy the whole thing. Control C to copy. We'll come back in here. We're going to choose a page to copy, choose a page to clone. This was the page that we had been using. What I was going to look for was the one we just created, because we optimized that one a little bit better, but no big deal. I'll just stick with what I know. I'll choose that. We've got the title already done for us. We're going to click the cogwheel. We're going to Control A to highlight all of the text, delete it. We're going to right click, paste as plain text. We've got this URL that's right here. We can leave it there or not. Doesn't matter too much right now, because again, this is just a draft, so I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I click on the checkbox. I'm going to come grab the shortcut for the video. Come on the video, click on the cogwheel. Click on the cogwheel over here on the section in the left. Insert from URL, highlight that and paste, insert into post. I'm going to click the checkbox at the bottom left. Now I can get rid of this by clicking, let me see, yeah, get rid of this by clicking the trash can for the row. Get rid of this by clicking the trash can for the row. Get rid of this by clicking the trash can for the section. I'll leave the about the author. I'll leave the blog post. Save the draft. We're not going to hit publish because we don't want this public yet. It has to be optimized, and I'm going to exit the visual builder. So this is how we start. Somebody on the team who doesn't know anything about writing, doesn't know anything about SEO, doesn't know anything about optimizing, starts to get pages up on your blog. And then you or somebody else can come in here and start optimizing all of this. I'll show you how to optimize this stuff in another video. But in the meantime, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next tutorial.